In this video I will tell you how to pin any app like Chrome and then Copilot. So taskbar pin, how to. So first you type any app, search bar, and press window key. So like pin Chrome app, search Chrome if you not showing. So my Chrome app this show, so I click right after that in uh, pin to taskbar. Okay, so pin to taskbar again, then already open, so here not showing. So I Copilot pin, so Copilot search again app Copilot, this is method right. So Copilot pin and taskbar, so you can see this is here showing. Okay, and next I pin the WhatsApp. So again taskbar pin, this is WhatsApp here. So okay, so this method any app, any browser, so use and enjoy. This is taskbar add pin. Okay, thank you.